Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a Brother MFC 9340 printer. The problem we're having is when the customer's using the top document feeder, they're complaining about getting lines and just different defects in their copies and scans. So that's going to indicate that there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So if you lift up the scanner, you'll notice that there's actually two separate pieces of glass. There's the large flatbed scanner, and then there's a small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. On that small piece of glass, that's actually where all the scanning happens when you're using your top document feeder. So because that's when we're having most of our problems, that's where we're going to focus most of our cleaning today. So in order to clean the scanner glass, we're going to use your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can substitute with rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. The biggest tip I can give you is please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. Never apply the glass cleaner directly to your glass. If you apply the glass cleaner to the glass, there's a good chance that it could seep underneath the glass, and then you're going to wind up with a lot more trouble than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner to your cloth. Okay, and like I said, our problems were mainly using the document feeder. So that's using this little piece of glass here on the left side of the printer. So we're going to want to make sure we get all that clean. Trying to make sure that if there's anything that was like ink, whiteout, tape, anything that was left on the glass or kind of got deposited on the glass, we get all of that off. So wipe it down really good. Sometimes ink or whiteout you might have to go over a few times and kind of scrub it off. This one looks pretty good, but while we're here we'll go ahead and wipe off the flatbed scanner. Just because they're highly prone to fingerprints and dust, things like that. So just kind of wipe it down since we're here. Once you wipe everything down, give it a visual inspection. Look for any kind of dark spots, light spots that would indicate there's still something on the glass. Once everything looks good, go ahead and close it up. And then I would recommend running a few extra test copies and test scans to the machine just to make sure that all those blemishes actually did go away. That there's still faint lines or faint little blemishes, it's going to indicate there's still something on that glass. It's just might be hard to see. So just go ahead and repeat that process one more time. That should take care of it. You'll be back up and printing.